Hair loss has become a biggest concern currently. Let's understand the reasons behind and few tips to minimize the hair loss. Hi, I'm Shruti Medappa. I'm a clinical dietitian and a meditation coach. Always remember, losing up to 100 hairs per day is a natural process and it also regrows, which is a part of natural phenomenon of shedding and regrowing on daily basis. But the real concern begins if the hair loss exceeds the natural hair fall count. We need to understand there are multiple reasons for the hair fall, like stress, different usages of chemicals like shampoos, conditioners, or gels, etc., or change in the temperature of the water, hormonal imbalances, or hidden medical conditions, or even certain deficiencies like biotin, vitamin D, or iron deficiency. So let me share a few list of foods which is high in biotin, which helps to minimize your hair fall, like avocados, sweet potato, sprouted green gram, carrots, broccoli, mushrooms, banana, eggs, salmon, and a quick recipe of a powder which can be prepared at home and consumed on daily basis on an empty stomach. Dry roast almonds, flax seeds, chia seeds, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds all together and make a powder and preserve it in an airtight container and consume this along with a yogurt or a milk on an empty stomach. Thank you.